Hello viewers, as you can see I have my Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy model, and this trim does have everything, only it does not have the spare wheel. So if you have this car, you have seen that you do not have the spare wheel as well as the spare wheel carrier as well. So I have ordered this genuine part from Hyundai, and the model number is 62800 R6100, and this is the carrier SE spare wheel. So I am now going to install this in my car, and I will show you how you can install it. And here you can see the whole part. This is specially designed for 2024 and 2024-25 model. So here you can see it has 3 holes here and 3 holes here. So I will show you how you can install it in your car. So come with me. And now I'm going under my car and will show you how many screws you have to remove from the bottom of your car. So come. So here you can see there are 3 nuts which you have to remove. These are 12 mm. So I have already loosened up these 3, and then you have to remove these 3 as well. So 1, 2 and 3, and I will show you how you can install it in your car. So here you can see I have installed it, and 3 bolts here and 3 bolts here, and this is and here you can see this is the hanger for your wheel. And now I am going to finish it and will show it to you. So I am done with my installation and how you can operate it. Here you can see this nut. This is 21 mm, and you have to use your wrench to loosen and tighten it. So I'm using my electric wrench, and you can see I'm using it, and I am going to loosen it first. And you can see bottom of my car, it's coming down. So when you want to move it back, just use your wrench on other side. So I'm done with my installation, and if you are having that issue, you can just order that part directly from the Hyundai Motors, and they will send it to you. It took only I think 10 days, and the cost was like $97 plus the shipping. So it was totally, I think the total was $120. So it's worth it, and thanks for watching.